Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your microphone and add a little bit of reverb for you to be able to complete your term project Spectrum School. For you to complete this activity, you need your laptop or your computer, your PC or personal computer. You need your microphone. It's either the built-in microphone of your computer, your USB microphone, or your earphones that you get when you buy your smartphone or Android phones, okay? As you can see here. And also, you should get your Google Chrome. Make sure to log in your Google Chrome because BandLab works well in Google Chrome for your microphone to work well, okay? So let's start. Let's log in. Go to your class. And here you will be able to see all the instructions, but since you're watching this video, so it would be easier for you to understand. So the first thing that you need to do is go down and you will be able to see Start Assignment. So click Start Assignment and choose Teacher's Assignment. Okay, it will bring you to the template that I prepared for you with the song Spectrum School Song and also the track for voice. You will be able to see here the instructions just in case you forget, okay? And you want to review, so the instructions are here on the right side. You can hide it by clicking the this green at the bottom, assignment brief. Just click that and it will be gone. Okay, and on the top right side of your mix editor, there's zoom in and zoom out. That's zoom in and zoom out. So you can zoom out or zoom in for you to be able to see your track well. So I'll just zoom out this one. I'll shorten so as you can see now. As you can see now, this is my whole track. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do, kids, is go down at the bottom. You will be able to see source. Click source. To select your microphone, hover your mouse to the left side bottom part of your mix editor and click the input. Make sure that your microphone is your default if you are using your computer, okay? And now when you are singing, as you can see, or while you are talking, for example, I'm talking right now, you can see that my meter is moving green to yellow. It means to say it's okay. If it is red, you can see that red, it means to say it's clipping very loud. So just adjust the settings, okay? So the settings that I'm talking about is the same for your USB microphone, for your earphones, and also for your default microphone of your computer. So it doesn't matter, it's the same, okay? So now, when I'm talking like this, when I'm singing hello, it's okay completely. So I will not do any adjustment there. Let's see if I need to make an adjustment because for this activity, I will use earphones because I believe everybody has earphones, okay? And you can get good quality of recordings when you're using earphones because you can isolate the room, okay? Using these earphones. So let's plug it in and let's try to talk closer. Hey! Wow! That's very hot. The signal is very hot. Once you see it's red, it means to say it's very loud. So I'll move it back away a little bit. Hey! Hey! Now it's better. So my signal is okay. Just in case that your signal is very loud, the thing that you can do is to move away from the computer a little bit or go to your settings. So type sound settings and choose your microphone, device properties, and you can see the volume here. You can make it a little bit softer. So if you move your volume going down, you are decreasing the volume input. If you move it to the right, it's getting higher the numbers. It means to say you are increasing the input or the signal. So we will just put it around, let's say for example 54. And let's see if the signal is okay. Spectrum School. As you can see, it's yellow. Now it's acceptable. It's completely fine. So we will proceed now to the next step of this activity. Okay. I will not close the meter so that I can monitor my voice. So let's record now Spectrum School. Okay, I'll put on my earphones so that I can hear the sound. Now guys, the only thing that you need to do is to click record. Hit that record button and you are good to go. So let's do that. Okay, let's fast forward this recording for you not to get bored. Okay, now it's done, as you can see. So for you to be able to move your playback, because I would like to listen in the chorus part, just click here, as you can see here above the track, just click there and playback cursor will move, as you can see. Don't click in the numbers. So let's take a quick listen here.
Spectrum School, Spectrum School.
You can adjust the volume of your track or your backing track for you to hear your voice.
The future, we stand together in the war.
See? Now it's better because I adjusted the volume of the backing track. Now my voice is audible. So the last thing that you need to do is I would like you to click your vocal track. Next, you're going to hover to the bottom part, right side of your track, and you can see it's reverb. I would like you to dial your reverb at least 20%, okay? Now it's 20%, and try to listen to your track only, your recorded track. So make it solo, and then click play.
Spectrum School builds our future in the world of knowledge and adventure.
So you can see there's already a reverb added in the track. If you make it 50% or 100%, unfortunately it will squash your signal, so it's not good anymore. Okay, now we have reverb. If you would like to make further editing, you want to listen to the reverb, right? You want to make some adjustments, it's up to you. If you want to retake, record again, it's up to you, okay? So once you're done, don't forget to click save. And then the last thing that you need to do is just click submit. The processing might take some time, depends on your internet connection. To make sure that you manage to upload your term project, I'd like you to click refresh on your browser and see if it's already there. Okay, there you go. There you go. I'm done. So that's how you complete your term project. So we learned today how to set up your microphone and also how to add a little bit of reverb on your track. Okay, so I hope this helps. Go and do your term project Spectrum School song. If you need more review, you can rewatch this video, and also the instructions are included in your assignment. Okay? Have fun. Bye-bye.